What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will be showing you the Arc Ultra Sonos Premium Smart Soundbar review. This soundbar comes with a hefty price tag of €999. So it comes in two colors, black and white. So it has a lot of options and features in it. So you can have a sound motion detector, Dolby Atmos, voice enabled, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, works with TV remote, True Play, Night Sound, AirPlay 2, touch controls, HDMI ER, and speech enhancement. It gives you a really theater 3D sound feeling whenever you play this sound bar in your living room or any room where your TV is playing. These are some of the components for the soundbar. It comes with a woofer of sound motion, then comes with upward firing drivers and downward firing drivers. So is it legitimate or is it fake? So in terms of audio and sound and the delivery, this product is totally legitimate. But when it comes to the price tag and the sound quality, it is totally up to you to decide whether it is worth it or not to spend like €999 to get a sound bar. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.